Welcome to LFA's guide to fixing your boot catch in the bottom punch. Today we're going to fix the boot catch in the bottom punch. It's important that this is fixed to prevent damage to both your boot and tooling. We're going to be adjusting the upper cog on the lower drift assembly and removing the lower drift assembly locking plate. First, remove the lower drift assembly locking plate with an Allen key. Turn the upper cog counterclockwise to lower your punch, or clockwise to raise it. Your lower punch should be flush with your base plate at the point of ejection. Place your lower assembly locking plate back on and tighten. Now test by rotating the flywheel by hand. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.